Hello, I'm Becky from Beanstalk Arts, and I have with me today my very special friend, Boris the Bird. Hello, Boris. Hi. Now, as you know, Boris always comes to help us out with our stories and our songs, but we've got to watch out for Boris because he can be he can be a little bit cheeky. And Boris, calm down. Boris. And as well as being cheeky, Boris is often very noisy. All day long. Boris goes, which of course we can do too. Shall we give it a go? Shall we do a great big bop like Boris all together after 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. One more for luck. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Will you help me find the beat? Hey there, bird, sitting in a tree, singing and it's squawking so happily. What's that they've got on your head? Won't you tell me, my feathery friend? Well, I'm Boris the Bird, I've got black feathers. I'm Boris the Bird, I've got black feathers. I'm Boris the Bird, I've got black feathers, and I make a noise like this. Hey there, bird, sitting in a tree, singing and squawking so happily. What's that they've got on your feet? Won't you tell me, my feathery friend? Well, I'm Boris the Bird, I've got blue feet. Boris the Bird, I've got blue feet. I'm Boris the Bird, I've got blue feet, and I make a noise like this. Hey there, bird, sitting in a tree, singing and squawking so happily. What's that they've got on your back? Won't you tell me, my feathery friend? Well, I'm Boris the Bird, I've got lovely wings. Boris the Bird, I've got lovely wings. I'm Boris the Bird, I've got lovely wings, and I make a noise like this. And I fly away like this. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Boris is asleep. Bye bye, Boris.